YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. We're in one of my favorite parking garages. This is a bigger one. I'm gonna do some full Apexi exhaust. I got a comment recently saying, hey, can I have a video for Apexi exhaust? I'd love to make another one. Besides, anyone just likes to hear the 2ZZ, so this is fun. It wasn't the warmest of days out. I was gonna do the cold air install intake. I'll probably do it maybe tomorrow. But I kinda just wanted to have fun with my car and fun with the CELICA and drive it around. So I hope you guys enjoy this. We're gonna go ahead and jump in the video, listen to how beautiful all this sounds. I hope you guys enjoy the intro as well.